it's Diana, and today we're making these easy strawberry pancakes using strawberry cake mix. First thing you do is get a large mixing bowl and add your strawberry cake mix, then add flour and whisk those together. Next, add vegetable oil, milk, water, eggs, and a few drops of red food coloring. You don't have to add the food coloring, but I just like to do that to kind of enhance the pink color. Use a spoon and stir everything together until it's well combined. Try not to overmix it. You just want to mix it until there's no more patches of dry ingredients in there. Then you're going to put a little bit of oil on your griddle. Mine is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm just rubbing it with the paper towel to kind of smooth it out, get it more even. And then you're going to measure out 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. This batter is a little thick, so you can just use the measuring cup to help you get it into nice circles. Let that cook for about 2 minutes on the first side. Let it keep on going until bubbles start to form on the surface. Once the bubbles pop and don't fill back in with batter, then you know it's time to go ahead and flip them over. Flip them and let them cook for about 1 more minute on the second side until the pancakes are cooked all the way through. Once they're finished, go ahead and remove them and stick them on a plate. And repeat the process for the rest of the batter. This recipe makes 18 to 20 pancakes. These pancakes are super easy to make. Now the texture is a little bit different than your traditional pancake. It's gonna be cakier. You can tell that it is a cake mix pancake, but it's really good. And on these strawberry pancakes, instead of regular syrup, I like to put some strawberry sauce on there and put some whipped cream on the top. And it tastes just like you are eating strawberry shortcake for breakfast. If you are interested in making this recipe, you can find the ingredients in the description below. Thank you so much for watching.